Hello everyone, look at this Marquee number and the cover I made before. If you are interested to watch the tutorial about how to make them, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. And today I'm going to show you my idea about how to make the light up Marquee number by using this material. Okay, look. This is LED light. Let's take out the light. You can buy the light from Amazon or other online store. The price not expensive, but the come out will be very pretty. Okay, look at this. There are some group here. There are some group here, so you can direct to stick on the number. But since I will use this material for my other project, so I will not tear off this paper and direct adhere on the number. I will use the tape to fix it on the number. You don't have to adhere the light like this. Okay, I will show you the effect after completing. Okay, look, this is the effect after I adhere the LED light on the number. Look, there's a shortage that this type of LED light not easy to bend. But anyway, it's not much important. If you want to use this idea on your event, you can buy the LED light could be bendable. The come out will be pretty, but the price will be a little bit more higher than this type. But anyway, I think it's quite enough for me. And also, the light not long enough. But anyway, not important. Okay, then the next step, we need to stick the cover on the Marquee number. We need high quality sticker. This double face tape not okay, not stick enough. We need to use this PVC stick. Maybe 3M stick will be better. Very simple. This also double face tape also, but the glue will be much more adhered. Very simple. Look, our KT board, the thickness is 5 mm, so we will pick the 5 mm of stick. So that will much more easy, much more convenient for us to stick the cover. Very simple, just put it on the edge of the number will be okay. Okay, I will complete it with the rest and then put on this cover. Before we adhere the cover, we need to connect the light. Okay, let's put on the cover. Okay, then let's put this number on the stand, on the base we made before. If you want to know how to make the stand like this, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat the procedure on this video because I just want to show you the effect of the lighting. Using the hot glue, the glue gun, it will be much more better. Okay, let's try the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. Let's use this remote to light up the light. Let's check the remote. There's a lot of color. and there's the mode of the color is changed. Let's check that one by one. Red, green, blue, yellow. Okay then, let's check the effect from darker environment for this mode of color change. Okay, now let's check it from darker environment. Let's check the color change mode. There are 4 modes. This one. And then this one. Very, very slow. And then this one. And I like this type of changing. Change the color slowly. Look, I like this mode. The effect in reality will be much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. Look at this. Look at it. It looks like the color flashing, but actually in reality, the color not fresh like this, very stable, and the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, back to the brighter environment. Again, you can see the light flash from the screen, but actually in reality, the light doesn't flash, and the color will be much more pretty in reality than what you watch from the screen. Okay, this is the idea. Very easy to make and will not cost a lot. Also, because we have changed the color, so if we use this idea to make some letter, for example, love letter, so the DIY product could be used on different events to match with different color of the event. Of course, we surprise not only the templates for the number in different size, we also supply the template for the letter A, B, C, D, F, G, and so on, and also in different size, from 40 cm tall, 60 cm tall, 80 cm tall, and 1 meter tall. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to the page from below information field. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.